are absolutely splendid, and the folk of this town have come out in their droves for this match. Why wouldn't they? It is an ideal circumstance for what could be an ideal game. Everybody has been attracted to it. It has been the talk of the town, and the buses have been packed, double-decker buses lining up outside. Coaches have carried thousands of away supporters here too, and all of it adds up to make a terrific, a crackling atmosphere. The match, I think, will be quite a spectacle. Unmistakably, this is the Camp Nou, staging a game in the way only the Camp Nou can. This is a friendly, but a friendly only in name.
Well, exhibition match sounds like an easy-ozy game of football, Peter, and a picture-perfect occasion until the word pride gets a mention. And it's likely to have quite a big say between teams that could easily be sucked into an excuse for another feud. Why let an exhibition match get in the way of that? So these two will be going at it very, very strongly.
Off we go then. Shaw. It's Rashford. Lovely feet. Shaw crosses in a low one. Wijnaldum. Now it's Roberto Firmino. Now it's Mane. It's got through to him. Great, but just going for goal! And he's there to make a great save.
Firmino simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
And he just whacks it away. Now it's Mohamed Salah. Shoots! That's been levered clear. Wan-Bissaka tries to get it forward quickly. James. That's good distance on it. He's left his man. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Wan-Bissaka gets his foot in there, played it again. That has sent him sprawling. Is it in? Yes, it's an own goal.
Well, that wasn't in the script, and you have to feel for him, Peter. It's ended in some embarrassment.
One moment's crazy confusion, but they all count.
Look, often chances are hard to come by in these games, so just one mistake could be all it takes to make the difference.
James puts the dink one in. Now a chance to break. Now it's Mane. Nicely measured pass. Yes, he is offside. De Gea sends that a long way. And it's Firmino. He's through the middle. Now it's Roberto Firmino. And the finish! And the follow-up. No mistake! Liverpool are all square. He was so alert to the possibilities there. Great stuff.
Oh, look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
That has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Yeah, it's always a dangerous time when you've just scored. You can easily lose focus and then bang, you're pegged back again.
Aimed long and direct. Oh, that's neat. He's there to get rid. Now it's Roberto Firmino. And now the breakaway. Good ball. Wijnaldum! Oh, taken with style. And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
And how about the timing of the pass and run? They've worked it before and no doubt they'll work it again.
Liverpool go into the lead.
Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
He goes long. Martial looking to get on the end of this. Martial beats the offside trap. Van Dijk can hoist it clear. James goes short. Looks to drop one in. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Now it's Roberto Firmino. And they're not going to make any further progress now. James. Chance! James shakes the shoots. Oh, great save, real class.
James sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Now the counter. Wan-Bissaka tries lifting it over. And it's hoisted clear. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
The movement was good, but...
And the whistle goes for half-time. So a really good half of football. 3 goals and just one separating them. So we reach the halfway point.
Oh, what a half. It's been pulsating and totally absorbing. We're actually headed for a potential classic if this carries on. This is insanely good.
Just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
Manchester United need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution, and I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
He just whacks it away. Managed to get it away. Lovely bit of skill. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Defending was physical, no nonsense, and it had to be. He's got away. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. It's Pereira! He's done very well to get to that. Martial, James. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. And it's Pogba.
We can assume that they've been instructed by the boss to stay in attack.
They're just looking to break, aren't they?
Yeah, the key now is just to get the ball to them as soon as possible. Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Well, hit and hope is just about the sum of it, isn't it, Jim?
Spot on, Peter.
Pogba plays it out to the wing. And that's a throw. Oh, now some movement on the bench, and we are going to see a change. Pogba, is it in? In it goes! Right back in it! Almost no time remaining, game still on. This is quite a battle.
Oh, look, Peter, I was on the fence before the ball was kicked, and I still haven't moved.
Lingard, looking to shoot. Goal! Manchester United! And the comeback is complete.
Manchester United are looking strong on the break. Winning the ball in midfield is one thing, but it's the clever use of counter-attacking. That's the real highlight.
When the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that favour.
Well, the instruction from the manager would have been, go on and make yourself a nuisance and see if you can snatch a goal. Mission accomplished.
So we have a breakthrough.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
He's given it. There could be trouble here. But for now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket. Mohamed Salah. Shaw. Manchester United have scored 2 quick goals here and are ahead now by the odd goal in 5. Lingard, he's onside.
Manchester United are looking to make this one safe. They want to reduce the risk.
Over to the left. Firmino, shot, hits one! Oh, what about that? Well, from right in front of goal, there was no way he was going to miss.
It's almost criminal to see a defence fail to identify someone who thrives when it comes to shooting stats. They knew, and yet they didn't heed, and they've paid the price and deserve to.
He's made it 2, and no doubt he's hungry for more. The changes then in quick succession.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though, not quite able.
All square again into the dying minutes.
Manchester United showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
Matip. Keita. Robertson. Robinson. Still inseparable. We have penalties.
Yeah, this has been a hard-fought game, Peter. There's been a healthy dose of drive and ambition, and sometimes that isn't rewarded with goals just like this one. I've seen a lot worse, though.
And it will be decided by the melodrama of penalties. Boy, you can feel the tension. Lingard steps up to take the first one. And he's found the net.
Yeah, it's a guessing game for the keeper, and he guessed wrong.
Mane steps up for his penalty. Coolly done, 1 each.
He just did what he was asked.
Pogba will take their second.
Well, it's never easy to step up and take a penalty, but he slotted that home with authority.
So, the second man in line. Good penalty, just steered it the other way.
Good penalty, completely wrong-footed the keeper.
Matip will take the third penalty.
I thought he did really well to hold his nerve then and score that penalty.
The third man in the queue. It's a tame penalty, straight at the keeper.
Oh, that was right down the keeper's throat, and it was an easy save to make in the end.
Manchester United looking to extend their advantage. And they're 2 up. Liverpool have to score or they have had it. And scores to keep them alive.
He was always looking good there. Nice penalty.
The scene is set for a would-be hero. That's won it! Manchester United have done it in dramatic fashion. A massive test of character, and they passed it with flying colours. A truly outstanding comeback by any measure. So there it is. What's